everybody, Danny here. By golly, let's go ahead and finish off those trees over there and put a little bit of grass in front of them, okay? I'll meet you with the easel. And by golly, here we go. Okay, today we're getting more dark in our foliage. Okay, and these are just the same greens that we used, except I put just a little bit of blue in it to darken it down. There we go, we got that one. Now, we're just going to reach in here every now and then, and that will form where this one here leaves off and the other one starts. We're going to do the same thing here, like this, okay? On this one, we're leaving white. We want to leave some white, okay, like that, okay? These guys are kind of dark down here, and that's good too. Now, we come up here to this one, and this one, we can use some darker and broader strokes, you see, in here, because it's up close, it's a lot bigger, and therefore we have room to do that, okay, just like that. But again, we're leaving the top pretty much alone because we don't want to lose the light coming through. Now, I'm deliberately leaving some white here, okay? We need to leave the white because that indicates that, well, maybe there's some foliage that's just catching the sunlight, and we need to have room for that, okay? And now down here on the bottom, this is a great big green landscape coming in here like this all the way around. Now be with me tomorrow and we'll start working over on the other side, and we might actually block the road in. So until then, be sure to like, subscribe, hit the link, share, let us know how we're doing. And remember, above all else, that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. Mission accomplished. Now tomorrow, we'll start working on the road and maybe the ground on the other side. I'll meet you here then. And remember, in the meantime, that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.